Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So this week we are going to try and save a piece of crotch wood that was fallen by a storm. So we're going to start by turning the bottom round and getting that bark off. And the first tool we are using is the full size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. And like I said, we're just going to take the bottom round and get some of that bark off. We're going to start by creating a foot at the same time, almost like a cone shape at the bottom to start off with, and right the way out to them wings. There we go. Not the best angle, but we're going to go right the way in and remove that bit now and go right the way down to the centre part. We've got the mid-size rougher here to flatten everything off. We switch to the #1 hollower, take a few final passes. There you go. Just going to admire the work there. Quite dry and quite punky this was. Alright, so now we're going to mark out for a mortise. And now we're going to make the mortise. So the first thing we've got to do is take down that pointy bit, and we're going to use the mid-size rougher to start off with. To flatten it off. And now we're going to use the detailer to start making that mortise. We're going to clean it out with a #1 hollower. Flatten it all off using the rougher. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to go around with 240 grit here in the drill. And this sandpaper is from Klingspor Abrasives. There you go. Bit of compressed there. And some Danish oil, which is from Hampshire Sheen. Wipe this all over with a brush, really making that grain pop. Real thirsty this wood was. I'm just going around the bark sections now. Couple more wipes. There you go. Alright, so we've got it flipped round now into the chuck, and we're going to start by hollowing it out. We've got the number 1 hollower first of all. Got the tailstock up for support for as long as I possibly can with this. There we go, keeping a lot of that mass right in the centre to keep it all as stable as possible. And gradually take it away. There we go, just coming to the end of this part here. There we go, and we're going to stop the lathe and we're going to remove that tailstock. We're going to get that tool rest in place and we're going to remove that nubbin right in the centre. So back to the number 1 hollower. And here's the mid-size finisher. Don't get any lumps and bumps. And there you go. And a quick check over. Alright, once again, down up to 240 grit here in the drill. Bit of compressed air. And finally some Danish oil. So I like to think I rescued or saved this piece of wood. So I'll be interested to know what you guys think. So let me know down in the comments section if you think I saved it or not. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.